How to set up a web user in Plesk. This demo assumes you've already logged into Plesk. Now let's learn how to set up a web user in Plesk. A web user is someone who has access to a particular directory in your hosting account. Creating a new web user will also create the new directory. Scroll down. Click the Web Users icon. There are currently no web users set up in this account, so let's go ahead and create one. Click the Add New Web User icon here. Enter a username for the new web user. This will also be the name of the new directory that will be created. Now enter and confirm a password. You can also enter a disk quota for this web user if you wish, and select various support features to include. Scroll down. Click OK when finished. That's it! The new user has been successfully created. Scroll down. From here, you can select an existing user to change their password. Delete an existing user by checking here. Then the Remove Selected button here. Or create additional web users. Let's delete the web user we just created. Confirm the removal, then click OK. The web user Marty has been deleted. Click here to return to the main page. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create web users and how to delete them. Remember that you can create as many web users as you wish. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions.